Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a small little happy mail coming in from Angelica. And if you don't know who Angelica is, I'll leave her links in the description box below. It is Crafter's Treats. Gosh, I'm so out of touch. But she just sent me a little happy mail. Oh no! Happy birthday! Oh, girly, thank you so much. This friend, she didn't have to do that. Look at that gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Happy birthday sentiment. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for thinking of me. She just sent me a little birthday card and a little goodie. It says cheers, celebrate, let's eat cake. Yay. Oh, I love this. Love, love, love. Thank you so much, my friend. Oh, another one. Happy birthday. Let's have some fun. How cute. Oh my gosh. She just put a little happy note in here. Oh, Angelica. Thank you so much, my friend. Crafters Treats 2017. I don't know why I forgot that, but I'm always usually, I usually get her handle right. But this is such a beautiful little happy mail for my birthday. Thank you, friend. Oh my God. Is this a stamp or is this the printer? It's hard to tell. Maybe it's a printout. These are some gorgeous fonts. I love it. It's my birthday month. Yes, guys. Yes. While we're here, because if I just do this, it's just a really short video, but thank you so much, Angelica, for always thinking of me. She's so thoughtful. Such a gorgeous happy mail card. I love it, love it, love it. So in my previous video, I did get the KS Crafts August release. It finally came in. And I played around with the cookie sheet, the cookie drying rack or cooling rack, and stamp and die set. So this is what I got out of it. These are the alpha stamps and die for the alpha to write out your message. Anyway, these are what they look like. And these guys are so tiny. Let me get my ruler. The little letter is only 1/2 inch. And you see, I didn't stamp or die cut it straight. But I really just wanted to cut it out and get a feel for it. I love the cookie. I think instead of white, maybe I would do it next time out of another color. Don't mind this little gingy. This is a punch. I had a punch out. It was a gingerbread punch. Oh, here it is. And I got this from Alvina in a destash when she was destashing some of her stuff. So this is a Stampin' Up! Punch. Little gingerbread man. He's got a bow. He's got his eyes. I guess these are the gumdrops. And then this a little heart that you could put on top of him. But back to this one, the stamp and die set. I did stamp out the alphas all together just like it is in the packaging. Don't mind the bag, I ripped it. Ugh. I gotta find a better way to store my stuff. But anyway, I stamped it out all at once. You don't have to. You could just pick your alphas and stamp it out as a word or whatever it is, or a name, whatever it is you're trying to do. And then I tried to die cut it, but I had to pull all the alphas out of the little gingerbread man. So it ended up, I had to separate almost all the pieces just to line up with the way I stamped it. So I don't suggest that. And so that's why you see a bunch of washi in there. It's holding those alphas. I had to lay it out on top exactly and then run it through the die cutting machine. But this is what it came out to look like. I stamped it in what's this called? Distress ink in this tea dye color. And I used the Ranger Archival ink. And I don't have a stamping block big enough to stamp the image, so I left it on the backer piece, and I used that and just pressed it down with my hand and kind of rubbed it in, so I don't have such a great impression because, you know, I missed a few parts that I should have pressed down. And then this is the black one, and it kind of shifted on me, but you can't really tell. I mean, you see it, but you can't really tell. And then I put the word cookies across here. So I'm going to do some, you know, playing with this, try to figure out how I can make it more brilliant. Maybe also cut it out of foam and probably just use my stickles. And, you know, I hate to waste the stamp, but yeah, it's a little tedious. So you could spell cookies, you could use whatever. So yeah, this is the only stamp and die set or in the release, but this is the only set that I've played with so far. I'm excited to get into the Christmas tree. It's 3-dimensional, and I want to play with the rosette, you know, everything. I want to play with everything. So yeah, now that I'm almost finished with Halloween and fall, I can put those away and hopefully come back and play with some Christmas. Yep, play with the Christmas stuff because it's gonna come so fast. And you know, as usual, any household, the holidays take up a lot of time, a lot of personal time. So yep, thank you all for watching. Thank you to Angelica for thinking of me for my birthday month. I appreciate you, friend. And don't forget, I'll leave her link in the description box down below. Check her out. Yeah, that's it. If you're new here, welcome. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video or when I go live here on my channel. So I'll see you all next time. Oh yeah, give it a thumbs up. Bye.